Now at my electrical meter and look at the reading that we have today. This is about 6 days after I took the last reading, which was 71470 kilowatt hours. Now let's go and see the new reading on my electrical meter, and let's start to figure out how much power I've used in the last 6. So if I come over to my electrical meter, let's see if I can try and focus in on that. The numbers it reads are, it's got to change. Just wait for it to change for a minute here. Come on. 71565. 71565 is the reading now. So I need to take that and subtract my last one. My meter reading is 71660. I'll just wait for it to change over again. Hopefully it'll get a wee bit clearer here. It's flashed up that strange word. 71660. That's how many kilowatt hours I've used today on Saturday. Okay, maybe my last day of reading the meter. And let's see if we can get in there now to see what it reads. It should just change over. 71676. 71676 kilowatt hours. Okay, I've taken 4 electrical readings and I'll show you them here on the board. I took a reading on May 13th and my electrical meter showed 71470 kilowatt hours. Then again on Tuesday, May 19th, I took another reading on my electrical meter. It was up to 71565 kilowatt hours. I then took a reading on Saturday, May 23rd. My electrical meter read 71660 kilowatt hours. And then I took a reading this morning, Monday, May 25th. My electrical meter showed 71676 kilowatt hours. Now you'll have different numbers, but you should notice that your numbers will go up each time you read it because you're using power. Now to work out how much power you use, you start with your very first number and you subtract that from your last number. So if we come over here, we'll take my last number, 71676, we'll put that on top. Then subtract our first number, 71470. You'll have different numbers. I'm using the numbers that were on my electrical meter. Put that underneath and subtract. 6 take away 0 is 6, 7 take away 7 is 0, 6 take away 4 is 2, 71 take away 71 is 0. So I've used 206 kilowatt hours. From the 13th of May to the 25th of May, I used 206 kilowatt hours. Okay, how much did that cost me then? So I know that it costs me 6 cents for every kilowatt hour I use. So I've got my 206 kilowatt hours multiplied by 6 cents. So if I do some math down here, I say, okay, well 6 times 6 is 36, put in the 6 trade to 3. 6 times 0 is 0, plus a 3 is 3. Then 6 times 2 is 12. Now I was dealing with 2 decimal places here, then I put a decimal point. So I've got 2 decimal places here, and I put a decimal point. So I've used $12.36 worth of power in 12 days. So I'm using about $1 a day in power. And so From this lesson, we've learned how to read our electrical meter, record our readings, find out how much power we've used by taking our latest reading and subtracting our first reading, and then finding out how many kilowatt hours we've used, multiplying it by the amount that it costs for each kilowatt hour, which for me is 6 cents, and it tells us how much electricity how much it's cost me. Now it's your turn to do that with your meter, boys and girls.